Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm presenting the new Tech Premium Blue Tire Paste.
Featuring a new formula, Premium Blue Tire Paste better protects the rim and tire beads during mounting. Premium Blue won't dry out like other products on the market, making it last longer and saves your shop money. Premium Blue cleans up easily and won't stain your rims. Premium Blue is designed to help mount stubborn beads with ease. Premium Blue also contains rust inhibitors to protect rims from corrosion.
To get your hands on the Tech Premium Blue Tire Paste, contact your Tech distributor today.